This video is a tutorial on how to use the 4-channel 0 to 10 volts dimming module. This demo setup includes the system power module, the IoT smart gateway, and the 4-channel 0 to 10 volts dimming module. Next, we set the device ID to 3. Then use our bus connector to connect the gateway and the device. After powering on the device, we can see that both the power indicator and bus indicator are on. The Internet port at the lower left corner of the gateway is directly connected to the computer. Double-click to run our debugging software. After opening the software, click New Project in the upper left corner. Then click the search icon to find our gateway IP address. This is the system environment we have set up, the gateway, and the 4-channel 0 to 10 volts dimming module. We can import them into the project with one click. We can double-click the gateway to check the real-time status. Next, we create dimming points. Click Adjust, then double-click to add the required channel points. Click the search icon to view the current status of each port. Next, we create two scenes. The first one is the all-on scene. Then we add the dimming channel points we just created into this scene. For the operation, select dimming and select the brightness value to 100%. Set the frame time according to actual needs. Now we add it in. For the other channels, we also double-click to add them. Their operations will be synchronized. Next, we create another scene, all off. Select the same device points we created earlier. Set the brightness value to 0, which means off. Add the other channels in the same way. Now both all-on and all-off scenes are ready. Next, we compile and upload the program. First, compile, then upload. Now we wait for the gateway to reboot, which takes about 30 seconds. Now the gateway has restarted successfully. We reconnect to the gateway. During the program update, the connection was automatically disconnected. Now we reconnect again. Next, we trigger the scene. Select the all-on scene and click on to execute it. Let's refresh the channel status. Now all 4 channels are at 100% brightness. Next, we trigger the on-off command. Now all channels are at 0 brightness.